Welcome back traders, what's going on? In the previous 3 lectures, you have learned about the advanced entry method using moving averages along with the basic swing trading strategy. Now from this lecture on to the next few lectures, I will show you some more trade advancing method which can help you to validate a trade in a trendy market. So the method we are going to talk about in this lecture is having trade confirmation on support and resistance level on a price action chart using swing trading strategy. In the second section of this course, I have explained you about the basic concept of support and resistance levels along with their importance and widely usage in price action charts. If you trade the market analyzing the price actions only, then you must be aware of the impacts of support and resistance levels no matter which strategy you follow. So let's start knowing about how we can trade the trends using swing trading strategy and have an extra level of trade confirmation signal from the support and resistance levels. As you already know that every swing point, either it's a swing high or swing low, it can be a support or resistance on a price action chart depending on its relative position in the market. A resistance will resist price to go further up and a support will prevent price to go further down. A resistance will be turned into a support level by the time price will go up by breaking the resistance level. On the same way, a support will be turned into a resistance level by the time price will break that support level. That means in an uptrend market, when price falls down to have a retracement and then comes near to a previous support zone, that time sellers tend to close their trades and buyers tend to enter the market, which is why selling pressure becomes weaker and buying pressure becomes stronger at that support level. And for that reason, you will usually see strong bullish candlesticks to appear at that support level. So whenever a strong bullish candlestick pattern appears at the support level as well as at the higher low level in an uptrend market, then this price action setup indicates very strong bullish momentum on the market and signals to trade long, since the market tends to move in the direction of the bullish candle after the candle appears at the support level in an uptrend market. Now let me show you these types of trade setup using real chart example. As you can see, this is a day chart of silver versus US dollar, and you will notice that the market is trending upward on this chart. Now as you can see, the most recent bottom is a support on this chart since price could not break that range to go more down, and a top which we can consider as a resistance level which prevented the price from going more up for a certain period of time. But when after price break the resistance level and then created a new top level, then that previous resistance has now become our new support level on this price action chart. Now if the price falls down to have a retracement, then possibilities are more that price will get rejected to go more down below this new support level, since a support is a psychological range where sellers tend to close their trades, which gives the buyers the opportunity to enter the market. So there is a good chance that you will see a strong bullish candlestick pattern at this support level on this uptrend market, and after that candle, price will rise to make another bullish rally towards the uptrend direction. So let's wait and see what the market brings us next. And as I uncover some more price action, then you can see that price went down towards the support level and even price broke the moving average lines, where these moving averages are working as dynamic support. Though there is no sign of bullish momentum on the market yet, but the most recent bearish candles in this rally are very weak so that they do not show any kind of strong bearish momentum either. Now if we find a strong bullish candlestick pattern at this support range, then that would mean that the sellers are closing their trades while buyers started to enter in the market right after price reached the support zone, which is why chances are huge that price will rise again towards the upward direction and hence the uptrend will continue its journey. So let's just wait again and see if we really have a strong bullish candlestick pattern at this support level. And as I uncover some more price action, then you can see that a strong bullish candlestick has appeared at this support level, and even the candle got back and closed by staying above the 50 exponential moving average line. So it's an indication that the buyers came back strongly over the sellers, and hence the market is ready to climb again to continue the uptrend journey. So this bottom at the support level on this uptrend is a new higher low level, and as you know that the higher low levels are the trading points where we trade long according to swing trading strategy. And since we have a strong bullish candle at this higher low level, so we can now trigger a long trade at the closing price of this bullish candle. So this time we triggered our long trade by having at least 5 trade confirmation signals, which means we traded long at the higher low level in an uptrend market where the higher low has been validated by a strong bullish candle at the support level, and even the candle has closed by staying above the 50 exponential moving average line. So this price action setup indicates only one thing, and that is the upcoming bullish momentum on the market. So possibilities are very high that we are going to win this trade. Now if I uncover the rest of the price action of this chart, then you can see that price continued to rise up for more than 30 trading days after we triggered the long trade at the support level. So that's how we can trade an uptrend market whenever price will get a pullback after it reaches the support level. Remember one thing very carefully, that to trigger long trade entry in an uptrend market, the higher low levels of that uptrend does not need to form in a support level. As long as you find a strong bullish candlestick pattern at the higher low level in an uptrend market, then this price action setup is well enough to trigger long trade entry. Price above the moving average lines and a strong bullish candlestick pattern at a support level only strengthen the validity of that trade. So many times you will see the long trade opportunity in an uptrend market, but you will find no strong support zone near the trading point. So higher low levels are not essential to form in the support levels to trade in an uptrend market. As long as you have the confirmation of a trade using 3 of the main steps of swing trading strategy, you are allowed to trigger your long trade entry as a swing trader. So that's all for today. We'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, have a nice day and goodbye.